Hey, welcome back. Second attempt at the Camila river mouth. Yeah, that's a fishing spot, and then the water is gonna come up all the way to here.
Yeah guys, what a fantastic area, the Camila river mouth on the east coast of Australia. Need to be croc-wise absolutely everywhere in this area.
Oh, yeah.
You can already tell it looks very crocky. And yeah, there were quite some fish around. And that was a small brim. We're fishing with soft baits and topwater lures.
Good girl. Take it easy. Wow, Vanessa. Take it easy. Seems to be a good fish. Don't go too hard. What we got? First shore-based fish in Australia. Well done, Vanessa. Woohoo!
On a maps.
Yeah. That's a flathead. The first flatty. Just fight him a little bit too. On the maps. Well done. Nice.
You can do a camera photo.
Okay, let me do a picture and then we're gonna release him, hey?
They might want it. Pretty.
Yep. Yeah. I tried big stick bait for Barra and cool. Okay, you want to release him? Oh.
They might want it.
Nah.
They might want it to eat.
Do you guys want that flathead for dinner?
Mom, you want the flathead?
You want it?
Cool. First fish. Well done. On a trout lure.
We gave this fish to a local family for their barbecue, and they explained us all the different spikes on that flathead. So just be careful if you catch one of those.
Okay, enjoy.
Thanks everyone for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. More of our epic adventures across Australia coming soon on this channel. Catch you guys on the next one.